Are you a current homeowner in California and you're looking to either move up, maybe move down, move on, etc., but all your equity is tied up in your property and that is your down payment? Well, bridge loans are a big deal right now due to this very nature with tight inventory, etc. People don't want to rent, move twice, etc. And I get it. Here at Fresh Home Loan, we are independent mortgage brokers that work for the people. We aren't a bank, and we have a ton of different bridge loan options for you. Now, what is a bridge loan? A bridge loan is used when a borrower wants to purchase a property before selling their existing property. The loan provides temporary financing to cover the purchase until the sale of the current property is finalized. Once the sale of the current property is finalized, the borrower can then pay off the bridge loan. So, it's kind of like borrowing your equity for a short period of time to get you from A to B when moving from a primary residence into a new home. And again, we have a really cool option here. We have several different options I can discuss with you, but one of them has a 0% interest rate. It's a pretty cool option, and here's how it works. As we're getting you pre-approved to purchase your new home, we take a look at your current residence. What do you owe? What is the value? And we just fill out a few parameters in order to figure out how much money we can pull out of your current residence to use as a down payment for you to buy a new home. Now, you can borrow up to 80% of the value of your current residence, and it has a 0% interest rate. So what's really cool about that is it's not going to affect your debt to income ratio at all with what you currently have. It's not going to make it higher because you're getting a loan. And that is huge. So let's just take a real quick example. Let's just say you have a house worth $1 million. You owe $500,000. We can use 80% of the loan to value of that property, which would be $800,000 in this example. And therefore, you would have a $300,000 down payment to put down on the new property. The funds are wired into escrow 5 days before we close on this loan. And then we can go ahead and work on closing that transaction and getting your house ready for the market if it wasn't already on the market. And then going to the sale of your primary residence, not the new home. Keep in mind, you're not going to be living there, so if you want to stage the property, that's going to be really simple and easy. You want to get some little things done, paint, etc. Super easy to do, super quick. You're going to have plenty of time to do that and put the house on the market and get it sold at its peak value, and you're paying 0% on that loan while all this is going on. Now, what is the catch? The catch is this. Once your home is sold, the investor does take a 2.4% fee of the sold sale price of the departing residence. And so that is how they collect their money for extending you this bridge financing. But I would really focus on the positive here. There are 4 things to really focus on, in my opinion, and that is the lack of stress. Number 1, which in my world is huge. I'm always looking for ways to alleviate stress in my life, especially in our current, post-pandemic environment where everything seems so stressful. Number 2, it's fast funds for the down payment. You're not going to have to worry about wiring funds from your account, etc. They're going to be there 5 days before the close of escrow. No problem. Not, 2 hours after I fund the loan. We're waiting for, other funds to come, etc. Not going to happen. Fast funds in escrow. 0% interest rate. So over this 120-day process, etc., you're not paying any money. No payments. It's a 0% loan. The other advantage of that is it will not affect your debt to income ratio while qualifying for the new home. It's really incredible. Number 4, time. This allows you time to get out of your current residence. You can, again, slap on some paint, get it staged, whatever needs to be done, and plenty of time to get peak value in this market in California for your home. Now, I'm sure you have a lot of questions about this, so feel free to give me a call, text me, email me, you can message me, etc. I'm Garrick Wordmuller, President, CEO of Fresh Home Loan, independent mortgage brokers that work for the people, and we're here for you. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow me on YouTube, subscribe to my YouTube channel. There's a lot of great stuff on there, and we'll see you soon.
Yeah, Fresh Home Loan Inc. You want mortgage rates without breaking your bank? Well, I got what you need. I'll keep it 100. The very best lender. We sell money, yeah. There's really no equal. Independent mortgage brokers that work for the people. I know that the pandemic's brought many problems, but we all